Did you think I was just going to hold on this for like a couple more months?
The reason was I was going to say, if it's not hot enough for you, we can help. That's where I was going with
Watch.
Build up. Build up.
That's good one.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Danny and Derek can show you how to make the Gin and Habanero Honey Sour. Holy crap, that's a long name.
But you managed
tasty.
it. You managed it perfectly. Good job.
I just kept reading the words. And
That's good. When you read something, you're reading the words in order.
So what I hear you saying is that with reading, it's good to go word by word.
In order.
In order, okay.
At least in our language.
So the goal of this video is to make a gin and habanero honey sour.
It is. that is the
What I'm
ultimate
hearing
goal.
you say is that the people want to see us make a gin and habanero honey sour.
Yes.
And we're going to put it together on the video for them.
Wow.
Okay.
I feel like you're listening to me.
I'm trying.
This is a 2 3/4 recipe, which is pretty classic in design. 2 ounces of gin, 3/4 ounce of lemon, 3/4 ounce of honey syrup, 1 egg white, 2 dash of orange bitters, 3 dash of habanero bitters. So a gin sour would be this stuff without the honey, specifically would probably be regular sugar, no bitters, right? It's just gin, lemon, like a sweet and sour. You'd be done. If you wanted a bee's knees, then you'd add the honey syrup.
Mm-hmm.
So this is kind of like a blend of all those, and then you're just like bitters right to the end.
Interesting.
Lots
Bitters
of
to the end?
Yeah. And the habanero, we're using Scrappy's Firewater,
That'd be a good name for a drink.
which I think they rebranded as habanero tincture or something like that. Maybe not. I don't know. Hot. So you got that going for you.
Well, it's summertime. It's time to have some spicy drinks.
You need some spicy drinks.
Yes.
Especially when you're playing with the gin sour. You need something else to make it, not just the gin sour.
Yeah.
Because otherwise it's just the gin sour. Gin sours are kind of boring.
They're good though.
I'd rather have like any other gin drink, I think. Like a Dorchester or something that has like the grapefruit and like the maraschino liqueur.
I don't know. There's something about a gin sour though.
You like gin sour?
Yeah, I love sours.
But it's got
just
lemon.
like it's good. It's easy. It's well balanced.
So you say it's easy. Do you do it with egg whites?
Of course.
Well, that's not so easy. Now you gotta like do the egg white dance. Look at he's gonna do it over there.
Yeah, but it's okay though because it tastes so good.
What do you do with the yolk? Throw it down the drain?
Yeah.
No, I got a yolk that's permanently part of the floor now.
I tried to I'm gonna make these drinks and I'm gonna save all the egg yolks and I'm gonna use them in the morning.
So what you're saying is I shouldn't put it in the bag because it leaks.
If I leave it there too long.
Okay.
Yeah, but wait, so what are you going to make with it?
So what you're saying is that you heard him tell you not to put that in the bag because it's going to leak.
And never in between the lines.
Well, we've done it for years. It's the first time I had one on the floor forever. I probably should have just cleaned it up when I saw it.
Bleach it.
I tried a lot of things. It did not come out, which was very surprising.
I mean, egg definitely makes a mess.
So what you were going to do, so now let's say you made these cocktails.
Mm-hmm.
Now you have, let's go with 4 egg yolks. What are you going to do with them?
So I used to try to save them and just make an omelet or something or cook them.
Right?
Without
Holidays has egg yolk?
Yeah.
No? Does holidays have egg yolk in it?
Yes.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, but
without
the egg white though. Like,
you know what it does too is Caesar salad dressing.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
But eggs without the white?
I make Caesar salad dressing.
Yes, you do, but you're not saving the yolks.
Oh no! I said I tried, and I really want. Sometimes I use egg yolks, and I try to save the whites for the drink.
I was gonna say, do you do the reverse?
I do, but then I never get around to making the drink, so I have a bunch of egg whites that I'm like, after like a couple days, you're like, you gotta throw that shit.
It's not like a simple syrup where you can look at it and go, yeah, that's bad. Or milk, you can smell it and go, that's bad.
No, you're just like,
egg whites, you're like, it's already weird looking.
Yeah, this shit looks bad.
When you crack open an egg, you're like, is it bad or is this what it's supposed to look like? So that is kind of a little bit of an issue. So yeah, I was gonna say, if you're doing this, like, so for instance, when I make French onion soup, I drink the wine right away.
Yes.
Right?
Oh, you have to.
Well, I'm drinking the wine while I'm making the soup. Because the soup takes like a cup of wine, right? That's like 8 ounces.
Yeah.
And then you have a full bottle. So you got to finish the bottle while you're doing it.
You have to drink it.
Right.
Wasn't that Julia Child's thing?
Greatest of wines.
Yeah, it doesn't matter though.
Cooking with it.
If you're cooking with it,
you're supposed to actually put wine.
But it's still a wine you want to drink. Yeah.
I don't buy cheap. I don't buy like $5 wine.
No.
Yeah.
I just buy I buy
See,
like
it's coming.
I mean, it's
12
okay.
It's good.
Yeah.
$12 ball.
Got a kick.
But like an $18 bottle of red, I've never used in a
Oh, I might have.
in a French onion soup. Really?
You
I try
want
not
wine,
to.
you'll drink.
It all depends.
Yeah, but I'll drink all the wine. I literally drink the wine. Oh shit.
That's two oh shits.
Yeah.
No.
I guess it was no shit.
It was an oh.
Yeah, it was an extended. Oh
No, it was. It wasn't. It's not that it's over. It's not going to kill you, but I wasn't ready for
You
it.
were ready, right?
Yeah.
Great.
Great yellow, great.
That's a-
egg white.
Great egg white.
That
Great
is.
head.
Love it.
Love it.
Yes, that's. I'll let you. You can take a sip.
Superb sour right there, Ian.
Yeah, that's
Well, wait till you
Oh,
taste
great
it.
separation. Oh, there's a little sour. That's
No, that's the
sour.
spice.
See? Ooh.
Oh yeah.
What
It does get you in the back.
But it's got like.
You swallow it all the way down, and then it comes back up, and it's just like, guess what?
But it's got like an
Remember
orange blossom like taste aroma to it, like the
Like a non so delicate Ramos Gin Fizz.
yeah, it's like a Ramos Gin Fizz that doesn't turn into butter
Right.
because you just didn't shake it as well. I think it got better flavor.
It just wants to burn your belly, that's all.
Yeah, it's a little it gets you like on the throat. It's weird that it gets you different than the Serrano one did.
Habanero.
Yeah, it's a
does.
little more striking, and it burns different places. Like it
Oh,
burns
it's like
more.
right on the back of your tongue, like
yeah, like it burns a lot. It coats it better.
Pretty much wherever it touches.
again though, but not like overly hot.
No, and
Yeah,
it goes away.
away.
Yeah, it's like a little sensation and it's gone. Then you got to take another sip.
That might be
You
a
know what's
little
funny?
much.
This isn't dry.
No, but it might be a little burny for the pool. I don't
Oh
know.
no, this isn't a pool drink. It's
Oh.
got egg white in it.
No.
right,
It's just
okay.
one that I made, and I'm like, oh, I like this. I want to put it on the show.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let us know when it's a pool drink candidate.
Okay.
And then I'll say something more intelligent.
Well, I don't typically bring egg whites to the pool. That's complicated.
Yeah, egg whites. I don't know. That just doesn't go.
You think the heat would go bad?
No, I could drink this with the steak.
That's a good drink though. The honey doesn't like overpower it.
Mm.
Like sometimes the honey in like a bee's knees, like
It is.
It's
It's
a little much.
strong.
it's like a little much, right? And then
This tastes like a honey candy. Like the honey candy, like a. I don't know what the honey candy is. Maybe a Jolly Rancher. I don't know. Something that tastes like honey. Oh, like almost like the lozenge.
Bit of honey.
Yeah.
yeah,
like-
without like the menthol. yeah.
Fair enough. No
Yeah.
menthol.
Yeah,
But it's got the juice. Like it.
but it's
got
not
that-
dry.
No.
Instead of menthol, it's got habanero.
Yeah, yeah. It's like a
It's
a
really good.
lozenge that's attempting to burn
almost
away the cold. Lozenge.
The orange definitely comes through.
I know.
Mm.
It's like a floral orange
Mhm.
blossom.
It's like
Mm.
all the ingredients are present in, in your mouth.
Yeah, all at the same time, without punching each
Oh.
other or fighting.
Thanks, Gen GPT.
And the
Jen and her new boyfriend are making some good drinks.
upgrade.
I don't know if it's a boyfriend. It could be a girlfriend.
I mean,
Yeah,
but that's a different fantasy.
I can't assume. Right.
Right.
Can't assume that. Jen
Right.
and her new person.
it was Chat. It was.
Non-binary.
Yeah, you ruined it. I was gonna say, ChatGPT was.
They have a
man
great
transition.
relationship.
On the contrary, it's a computer. It's very binary.
Right.
Only
That's true.
binary,
Binary.
That's true. Only binary.
non-binary, which is binary.
There are no trans computers.
No,
Yeah.
not yet. But once we have one of those, like
Quantum. Oh,
Yeah,
Quantum's
yeah,
coming. Yeah.
now we can have. Dude, still kidding me.
It's still like it sticks with you for a little bit.
Yeah, I like it. It's flavorful, but
Very good.
not a pool drink. But it's got the flavor.
Yes.
So there you go.
Definitely
Don't
make
that.
it.
And if you don't have BG Reynolds honey mix, it's fine. You just mix water with
Honey and
honey,
water.
Yeah.
which
Just
is
do
probably
it.
what she did. I don't know.
I mean, you're already making bee's knees anyway, so you should have something.
Yeah, you could do a bee's knees.
Yeah.
You could compare them all together. I feel like this has got more dimension than bee's knees. The
Oh,
heat
this is
helps.
this is better than bee's knees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the bee's knees is just good to do if like that's what you have, and you're like, just make it bees.
And like you said, you can make it less hot,
Yeah.
one less dash, or if you want to make it hotter,
How many dash we got in here?
3.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
So I would go with 6. No, I'm just kidding.
No.
Like it could be hot for the sake of being hot, and just to like pass it around and have people freak out.
Mm.
But this is a better tasting drink at this heat level
Yeah.
because you can take it and it goes away, but you can appreciate the spice.
You can keep going back to it.
Yep.
Yeah.
So that's it. Link below for the Bartender Starter Kit and all the other stuff at awesomebricks.com, including Habanero bitters. No, wait. We have Serrano bitters. Close. You could use Serrano in there too. I would
Just do
probably
it.
double them. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.